Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to add your About Me section on Discord with updated steps that make it a breeze. Whether you want to share a fun fact, your interests, or just a little about yourself, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. If you don't have it yet, make sure to download it from the Google Play Store. Once you're logged in, you're ready for the next step. Now, take a look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to your profile settings, where all the magic happens. Next up, you'll see an option that says Edit Profile. Tap on this to proceed. This is where you'll find various customization options to make your profile truly yours. Scroll down until you find the section titled About Me. Here, you'll notice a prompt saying, "Tap to add an About Me." Go ahead and click on that. It's your chance to express yourself. Now enter what you'd like in the About Me field. Think of this as your personality showcase. Whether it's hobbies, favorite games, or a quirky motto, make it reflect who you are. Finally, once you're happy with what you've written, don't forget to tap Save at the top right corner. And just like that, you've added a personal touch to your Discord profile. That's it for today. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more tips and tricks on how to enhance your online experience. Happy chatting on Discord.